Hi everyone, this week is M5 science discussion. We're going to be talking about reproductive system, and this week our prompt is that we basically are going to explain how puberty works with all of the hormones in the male-female reproductive system to someone who's like about around that age, as if it was like your daughter or son. So I have a little diagram here that will go through male and female reproductive system, but basically I would just tell them like your body starts to change around your age, around like the middle school age, and basically what happens, we'll start with the female reproductive system, is that your hypothalamus releases a hormone called GRNH, which is your gonadotropin releasing hormone, and that is what gets the ball rolling with puberty and all of the changes that you see in your body whenever you become that age. And it releases that GRNH to our pituitary gland, and our pituitary gland is what secretes the luteinizing hormone, or LH, and the follicle stimulating hormone, which is FSH. And in the female reproductive system, that is going to release in the bloodstream and go to your ovaries if you are a female. And your ovary receives the signal, and it basically is told to secrete the estrogen and some of the progesterone. So what happens whenever the ovary secretes these hormones is that we start to see development that would be correlating with childbearing properties, such as hip development, breast development, and a monthly menstruation for females, are the big ones. So moving on to males, same thing is what happens whenever we get the ball rolling with the hypothalamus releases GRNH, which we remember is our gonadotropin releasing hormone, and that goes to our pituitary gland that releases LH, our luteinizing hormone, and our FSH, which is our follicle stimulating hormone, goes into our bloodstream, and then in males it goes to your testes, and that again like receives a signal to make testosterone, is the male hormone that drives this whole reproductive system, and our testosterone is what makes or the male testosterone is what makes the changes in the male body, and we start to see a deeper voice, hair growth on our face, on their face and their body, and increased muscle strength, and then sperm production if they choose to have a baby one day. So that was just a quick recap of our hormones and what works and what happens whenever you hit puberty. So that is it. Thank you.